Do you want to build a staircase?
For the cutlass, you will need 2 pieces of plywood that measure 44 by 32 to complete the sides of the staircase. You will also need 4 steps that measure 44 by 11, as well as 3 toggles that measure 42.5 inches for extra safety.
This is a piece of plywood lumber which we will use to construct our stairs. This is a tape measure which we will use to make our measurements accurate. This is a drill bit. We will use this piece to drill holes in our wood so that we can maneuver our jigsaw. This is a jigsaw. We will use this to cut some of the angles and lines on our wood. This is a chalk line. We will use this to get straight lines. This is wood glue. We will use this to bond our wood together. And this is a circular saw, which we will use to cut the other portion of our lines.
This is a power driver drill. These are 1 5/8 inch screws which we will use to screw the pieces of wood together. And this is a square in which we can make sure everything is lined up correctly. This is a miter saw used to cut angles into the wood. This is a radial arm saw, also used to cut into the wood.
This is a table saw. As you can see, you can adjust the height of the blade up or down. And you can also move the guide left or right to get the right size of your cut.
5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's time for safety tips with Levi and Thor.
When using the saw, always remember to wear eye protection. Oh, Levi.
Thanks, Thor.
When in a noisy environment, always remember to wear ear protection. Oh, Levi.
Ha! Gee, thanks! When in the shop, always remember to wear shoes, and closed-toed ones at that. Hey, Thor! You forgot something.
Oh, not again. Thanks, Levi.
When using the saw, never wear jewelry or lanyards.
Oh, Robert! Get those out of here.
And always remember that saws are for cutting lumber, not your hand.
Oh, I forgot again. Thanks, Levi.
Success!
Use the table saw to cut the sides of your staircase. This is a very easy saw to use, and you always should have another person helping you with it for extra safety.
Make sure that you make your measurements carefully. That way, you don't screw anything up.
Pre-drilled holes make cutting easier.
Use the circular saw to make long, straight cuts.
Use the jigsaw to easily connect your pre-drilled holes. Once you have completed cutting one side of your staircase, trace it onto the extra plywood to make it easier to cut the other side.
Stabilize
and secure your stairs
using toggles
A,
B, and C.
C.
Once you've finished assembling the frame of your stairs, lay a bead of glue along the edge of the staircase.
After you have completed doing this, take each step and line it up with the framework of your staircase. Make sure it's square though, so you do not have any extra overhang.
Once you've got it good and even, use your power driver to insert a couple screws into the framework. Your finished product should look a little something like this.
5, 6, 7, 8. Success!
We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a staircase? It doesn't have to be a staircase.
Go away, Thor. Thor.
Okay, bye.